Salutations friends, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, obviously it's on the weekend, so it's a beauty skincare video, and it's going to be an unboxing. You will see a lot of these videos around because we all got our boxes, and it's the Beautylish Lucky Bag 2018 box. So I just got mine, and I'm going to unbox it for you guys, and it's kind of like a blind unbox because I have no idea what's in it. So if you'd like to know what I got, then keep watching. Hi, welcome to my channel. I'm Kristen if this is your first time here. I'm a primarily fragrance reviewer. In fact, 99% of my videos are revolving around fragrance, but I do like to do some beauty and skincare videos on the weekends from time to time when I think that they are appropriate or fun, and this is appropriate and fun. So Beautylish every year has a lucky bag to celebrate the new year, the Chinese New Year. And for the last few years, I've been unable to get one, and this year I was finally able to get one. So this is the box. There's two sizes. There's one that's $75 with at least $150 worth of stuff in it, which is the one that I got. And then there's the XL box, and that one's $150 for about $350 worth of stuff. So I'm going to open this, and I'm just going to share with you guys. First I'm going to show you the paper because this is what everyone does. This is my first box, so I'm just kind of following the trend of what everyone else does. So this is the lucky paper. It's cute. It's filled with stuff and things, and you all know I love stuff and things. Also, if you're unfamiliar with my channel, I am not very good at what I do, so I am very sorry that you have to do this, or you have to put up with me. But there's a lot of other people opening their boxes, so if you don't like the sound of my voice or how unprofessional I am, please go watch somebody else. You'll probably have a better time. So everything is wrapped in the standard black paper from Beautylish. I order a lot of stuff from Beautylish, actually, like a lot. That's where I get most of my makeup brushes from, and those ain't cheap. So I'm excited to see what is in this. So this seems to be everything right here. I don't know if it's individually wrapped. So I'm just trying to like open it and not look and just kind of grab randomly. Okay, so I have the paper kind of set up to where I don't look. So the first thing I picked out is I'm actually really excited for. This is the Goss number 18 brush. I think this is the newer stuff. I think this is goat hair. I don't know why I'm doing this because I'm using a phone. I pair it with other people do. I collect Goss brushes, so I am always happy. I actually watch a bunch of people open their boxes already because I'm impatient. So I was hoping for a Goss brush. So this is one of the things I was hoping for. And this seems to be a really nice kind of flat eyeshadow brush, which are the types of eyeshadow brushes I like to use a lot. So hooray! I'm probably not going to have too many edits, so the next thing I'm grabbing just randomly in here is this. This is from the Finisher series. This is the Hylamide HA Blur Hyaluronic-based Prismatic Blurring Surface Finisher. So this is, I'm guessing, a hyaluronic, so a moisturizing primer that's supposed to blur. It's probably kind of like what I use now. But this does seem like something that seems really good. I love hyaluronic acid. I use it all the time. It's really good for my skin. If you guys have transitioning skin in your late 20s to early 30s, it's a fantastic ingredient to add to your skincare routine. So I'm always looking to add it to my skincare routine. So this will probably be something I end up using, but we will see. Next up in here is the Cover FX Mattifying Prime and Set Base and Fixture. So this looks like a deluxe sample, kind of like travel set or trial set of Cover FX products. I've tried their powder and I really liked it, but I don't own it because I have a lot of face powder, so that's really good to have. But I haven't tried any of these products, so I'm always really excited to try new things, and I like them when they're like deluxe sample size because something like this, like the primers that are that big, will take me months to use through, so I don't need giant things of it. So this is exciting and fun. So next up is from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I love this brand. This is the Prism palette. I don't know what kind of palette. Oh, it's an eyeshadow palette. Ho ho. This is nice and velvety, and these are the colors. So these are really pretty. This is probably something I will use. So if you want to see the colors, I'm trying to hide my ugly fingers. So there goes the brush on the floor, but I always wash them anyway. So this actually looks exciting. There seems to be a nice mixture of matte and shimmer and glitter. And yeah, so let me pick up the brush and put it off to the side so I wash it. So this is the palette I got. So next up in my Beautylish bag is a Jeffree Star liquid lipstick in the color Nathan. And I think this is the one that he did in collaboration with his partner. So that's the color. And last but not least is this thing right here. And it looks like it's a Becca Cosmetics. Ooh, this is pretty. Actually really like Becca Cosmetics so much. So this is some palette I don't know because I am behind on all the new makeup releases because I have so much makeup. I haven't really bought anything in a very long time. This looks like it's probably like their holiday winter release, and it comes with a little priming filler, which is good. I've heard good things about their thing. So this is, it looks like it's a cheek kit. So it looks like we have different highlighters and blushes. I'm so bad at this. Like I said, I warned you guys. I warned you guys when you started watching my video. I'm like, I'm really bad at this. But this is the last thing I got, and I am pretty freaking excited for that. When I travel, I like to bring things like this with me. I don't travel very often, but when I do, I like palettes that have everything. So this is exciting. Thank you. I don't know why I'm saying thank you. I paid for it. So all in all, with everything that I got in this box, I don't know the exact amount, but I'm going to list everything below that I've gotten and the total value of everything. I know some boxes you get gift cards too. They're considered extra lucky boxes, but I'll be completely honest. I think I'm going to use everything in this box. Initially, when I started this video, I said I'm not going to put my fingers on anything. I'm not going to test anything because if it's anything I don't like, I won't, you know, if I give it away, I don't want it to be used. But I really feel like every single one of these products I will use. The only thing I'm a little iffy on is just the primer with any skincare product, especially if it's a brand I'm unfamiliar of. I just kind of like to do a little bit of research first to make sure it's not something that's going to destroy my skin. So that's the only thing I'm like, it'll probably be fine and I'll probably use it and love it. But that's the only thing, like, I just want to make sure and do a little bit of research before I put it on my skin. But overall, I'm really very impressed with this box. This is my first box. The thing I most wanted was another Wayne Goss brush, so I'm really super happy I got that. But the palette I got I absolutely love, and the face palette, something I'll definitely use. And the liquid lipstick is a nice color, and that Cover FX set will be really great so I can try more of their products. So overall, I definitely think this was a $75 value and a lot more. So it was really exciting, and I am definitely not let down. I want to thank you guys for sitting through this video with me. This is my first time doing a video like this and my first lucky bag from Beautylish. So again, I am not very good at these videos, so thank you so much for being so patient and sitting through. If you guys like I said before, my channel is primarily fragrance. It will always be primarily fragrance. That is my true passion and love, specifically for my YouTube channel. But if you guys would like to see more skincare or beauty or hauls or unboxings or videos kind of like this that delve away from fragrance, I will do them a lot more frequently if that's something you guys would like to see. So make sure to let me know by giving this video a thumbs up. If you do not like those types of videos, or you do not like me or this video in general, there is a thumbs down button. You are free to press that. It is completely up to you. I do not mind. You can let me know you don't like me or let me know you like this type of content. It is up to you. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. As always, guys, I hope you guys are all happy and healthy and have a great day, month, year, whatever. And I will see you next time. Bye!